Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Bell Slim remote that is not working with your receiver. First, we start with a simple power reset. Remove the batteries from your remote. Once the batteries are out, press and hold any button on the remote for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps drain any leftover power inside the remote. After that, put the batteries back in properly and try using the remote again. If the remote is still not working, the next step is to reset it. To do this, press and hold the number 7 and number 9 buttons at the same time. Keep holding them for about 3 seconds. You will see the LED light flash 4 times. This means the remote has been reset successfully. Now we move on to pairing the remote again with your receiver. Go to the Bluetooth pairing screen on your receiver. Once you are there, take your remote and press and hold the home button or the menu button for about 5 seconds. This will start the pairing process. While doing this, pay attention to the light on the remote. When you press a button during setup, you should see a green light. This means the remote is not yet connected. Once the pairing is successful, the light will change to red. This confirms that the remote is now connected to your receiver. After completing these steps, test your remote to make sure everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.